Hi everyone, Megan here from the social and content team. Welcome back to the Adore Beauty YouTube channel. Today I am joined by the amazing Rushi.
My name's Rushi, guys. I'm a digital creator from Melbourne, and today we are doing the 2-minute makeup challenge.
With a twist. I feel like it has a twist to it. So we're going to do one side of our face in the 2-minute time zone, and we're going to see how good we can do. The other side of the face we're going to spend about 20 minutes and see what we can create.
It's gonna be an experience, that's for sure.
I'm going to play it a bit safe. I'm not going to be too wild with my colors.
So for my makeup routine in the morning, usually, depending on my brow situation, probably around 30 minutes if I'm doing a full beat.
Look, for like work, back when we were in the office 100 years ago, it would only take me about like 10 minutes because I would sleep in. But if I'm going out, it can take like 2 hours. Yeah, okay, I'm interested to see how this goes. All right, Rushi, are you ready for take two? Because that was an absolute fail.
I am so ready for take two because that first attempt was a joke.
Flashback.
With this palette, I don't know, it's Napoleon, Purtis, Naughty. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Rushi, we're done.
That's so not cool.
All I did was foundation and concealer.
I just got like half of my blush on.
End of flashback.
We've started from scratch. Apparently we did not know how long 2 minutes is. We've rethought our strategies and we're going to roll into take number 2. All right, are you ready, Rushi?
So ready for this one. Let's do it.
Okay, ready, set. I've set the timer again. Go.
Go.
Woo, I'm stressed. I'm even more stressed than the first time now.
I'm
I'm wasting
freaking
time.
out. I don't think I can talk.
No, neither.
No,
Just has to be like action.
just whack it on.
I'm just going in with this random shade in this palette that I've never used before. But anyway, I didn't even put foundation on my lids.
I'm still going to attempt this setting situation and hope that I have time.
Oh yeah, nice. What can I grab? I'll grab a bit of concealer and just like mesh out those edges.
I'm just blushing the cheeks and kind of meshing the eyes
Yes,
together.
I need to flush the cheeks.
God.
I'm going in with mascara.
Yeah. I feel like mascara, it just puts you all together. Like you could just wear mascara and still look.
It'll transform the look. I don't know if I have
Yeah.
time for a liner, so I'm just going to go straight in with the gloss. All right, I think I've done so much better this second time round.
Me too, but I just got mascara
Practice is
all
just-
over my
Oh,
eyelid.
we're done, we're done. Everybody, finitoed.
No!
How did you go?
I was doing great. I was surviving that whole 2 minutes and then I got mascara all on my top lid. So
You can't really tell. It's fine. Just say
Okay,
it's
cool.
graphic liner or something.
graphic liner, it's editorial.
I didn't get to brush up my brows, but
Yours looks so
I
good.
don't actually think it's that bad. If someone had wanted me to do like a wing and eyelashes, I would have just said, see you later. I
See ya,
can't be
bye.
doing that right now.
It's a no from me.
Yeah, it's a no. It's a hard no from me.
It's a hard no from me.
I can't believe you had time to set and bake.
My eye is burning right now because I completely put oil in my eye when I was removing it the first time. So that's where I'm at. Guys, who do you think did a better job? Let us know in the comments.
Be nice in the comments though.
Yeah, be nice though.
Okay, so phase 1 is now done. I think it's ready to do phase 2, which will be hopefully a lot more therapeutic experience.
Fingers crossed.
All right, I've set the timer for 20 minutes. So I'm actually using, have you tried this primer, Rushi?
Which one's that?
So it's by Air Atelier. It has like a demi-matte
Ooh.
finish, but it's a primer,
Oh.
but it's also a part of your skincare routine. But
Love.
it's really beautiful.
I'm going in with the Giorgio Armani A Bit Bougie. This one's the Luminous Silk Primer.
Yeah, I think there's like such a big debate in like the beauty community about like whether you need one or not, or like.
I kind of feel like if your skin's hydrated, then you should be good to go.
So this is Designer Brands and it's the Hydrating Luminous Foundation. It's really affordable.
I love that foundation.
How nice is it? And I'm just taking Hoola into my crease. And this time I actually primed my eyelid and I used the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer so that the shadow actually had something to grip onto this time around.
Yeah, I can't not prime my eyelids. Like that is such a must for me.
So this is actually a new powder. I haven't tried this before, but I'm really keen to try it. So it's the Sheer Finish Pressed Powder by Bobbi Brown, shade Soft Sand. Ruchi, I think you do something similar, but I don't like to powder my whole face. I just like to powder certain sections. Now I'm just going back in with Hoola for my cheekies.
I'm just using this Bite Beauty stick, because it's a multi-purpose one. You can use it for cheeks, eyes, lips. So I just kind of use that in the crease.
Yes, I've seen you use this.
So good. So good. Just easy. I'm just drenching my eyelids in the MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid. These are like...
Oh, that looks amazing.
You just only need this and you're done. Like, that'll just be the statement
looks so
of
good.
your whole look.
So I think I'm going to go in on my mobile lid. I'm going to use the shade Coin from the Nice and Naughty eye palette. Sorry, Naughty and Nice eye palette from Napoleon.
I'm just going with the Eye of Horus mascara. Goddess mascara.
I've just added a little bit of darkness on the outer corner with the shade Char.
I've been a little bit cheeky and I did my brows before, because my brows can take like a whole half an hour.
Oh, ages.
So it's like,
yeah, that's
it's
so I'm going to use the Makeup Forever cream blush in the shade 300 because it is just my ride or die. I love it.
I think I'm just going to go in with Hoola, my toasted bronzer, and just bronze the cheeks. I'm just using the Designer Brands brush as well, just to, because I love this angled brush for bronzer because it just fits perfectly within the cheeks. Then my trusty favorite highlighter with the classic MAC Oh Darling.
So I still haven't gotten my brows done like since ISO, even though we're now allowed to.
I'm the same.
And then I realized that we were filming this video this morning. And I was like, I really need to do my brows, but I didn't have time to go. So I just kind of did them again myself, and I'm really starting to see the effects of that, not in a good way. I am going to do my mascara now, and I think I'm going to take a leaf out of your book, Ruchi, and do the Goddess mascara. I think I'm going to go in with Lash Sensational by Maybelline over the top.
I'm just using this deeper shadow from MAC. It's called Havana.
Ooh.
It's just like a really nice shimmery deep brown. So I'm just going to use a little liner brush and just work it into the upper lash line as like a kind of smoked out liner. I'm
going to line my lips using the Jane Iredale liner in the shade Nude.
And I'm just going in with my favorite MAC lipstick, it's called Taupe. And it's just a nice brown.
I think I'm still going to stick with my gloss because I'm a bit of a gloss gal, but I like liner and gloss, so the other side feels a bit naked.
I think I'm done.
I'm done. Okay, I like looking at it here. There's not that much difference, which is a bit upsetting to be honest, because I put so much more effort in this side. I guess like technique wise, I can tell like this is just blended so much more seamlessly. And my brow, of course, I'm really loving my brow on this side compared to this side.
Maybe your lashes just are popping on the other side as well.
Yeah, my lashes, and I feel like the shadow really made a difference.
Well, I had time to add more detail to the eyes, so I definitely feel like when you add shimmer to the whole lid, it really opens everything up and it just kind of makes it look more festive and glam all together. So, and like lipstick, I didn't get time to do lipstick on this side, so I just feel like this side's a little bit more together, whereas this is more of my, I'm just running some errands.
Yeah, you're looking alive on the right side. You look like you're ready to take on the world. The other side, she's here, but she's just woken up. She's not quite ready for world domination.
She's awake, but she didn't make it.
Yeah. She's awake. She's present, but she's not here, you know? Thank you for joining me on this challenge, Ruchi. It was an absolute time, but it was really fun.
It was so fun. Stressful.
Yeah, it was stressful. It was fun. It was a roller coaster. But yeah, let us know in the comments who you think did better on the 2-minute side. And if you try this challenge, please let us know how it goes because we'd love to see your before and afters.
Thank you so much for having me and thanks for watching, guys.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.